Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Google Assistant isn't available for this Google account during the setup on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So once you have logged into your Google account, you should see this alert. So now you need to tap these buttons, this back, until you see Wi-Fi. Here, as you can see, you should be connected to your Wi-Fi network. Tap this gear icon, tap forget, and here tap skip. Skip, don't copy, and now as you can see we have skipped the process of adding our Google account. Now we need to just agree for every single thing that's here. Of course, not I mean, you need to now just set up your phone up to your own preferences, but it's just before this adding Google account. We can add our Google account after we enter the system. So now as you can see we have some problem. Tap later. We are here in our system, and now if we open some Google account, Google Gmail application, or if we enter settings and here scroll down to the accounts and backup, you can just add your Google account here. If you get this alert over here, after the setup here, you need to factory reset your device via the recovery mode, back again, and after this you need to just set up your phone with the same method and add different Google account with different region. Apart from that, you can just change the region of your Google account that you have logged in here and you want to log in, that is your original account, to some Europe region, for example, or US, or some region where it's sure that the Google account, the Google Assistant is available. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.